Hi friends, it's time to practice our rhyming, and today we're going to rhyme with et. Et. So et is an E and a T. And our first sound that we're going to do is the B sound. B. B. Et. Bet. Like, I bet you can do that. Very nice. All right, let's do another et. E. T. All right, here's one. What if we do a G sound? What letter says G? That's right, G. G, game, G. So G, et, get, get. Like, can you get your game? Very good. So we have bet, get. Here's E, T again. All right. And how about the L sound? That's right, for an L. L. Let. Let. I bet you can let me get your game. All right, here's another one. E. T. All right, and I'm going to do M, man, et, met, met. Have you ever met? Have you ever met my friend? And you just make up whatever the name is. Have you ever met my friend Kauai? That's one of my dogs. Have you met Kauai? All right, let's do another one. I'm going to come over here so you can see it. E, T. And what if I put N in front of it? N, an N. That's our letter for the week. Net, net, net. That's right. I'm going to put our cocoons in a net, so when our butterflies come out, they will be in the net. Right, net. Okay, what if we put a S in front of it? That's right, an S. Set, set. Do you guys ever help set your table for dinner or for lunch or for breakfast right now too? All right. What if we put a W in front of it? W. Wet, wet, wet. When you go swimming, you get wet. All right, I've got one more. Here we go. We've got the E and the T. And what if we put our letter from last week in front of it, which was a Y, yellow, Y, yet, yet, yet. Oh, I bet you, let's see. It's not time yet to set the table. So let's look at our words again. We've got bet, get, let, met, net, set, wet, and yet. Excellent job, friends. You did a great job rhyming with me today with our et words. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.